Members of the National Assembly are irked that the National Treasury omitted 1.4 billion shillings for the fertilizer subsidy program in the 2021-2022 supplementary budget, which they want included. Legislators debating the supplementary budget said the amount will be used to stabilize fertilizer prices ahead of the planting season as the government explores long-term measures of lowering the cost of fertilizer.
Farmers have been grappling with high cost of fertilizer that has seen the retail price of the commodity rising to about 6,000 shillings, up from 3,500 shillings in 2021. Legislators are worried that the increased fertilizer prices might ultimately push up the cost of maize flour.
If production is not checked, it means we are going to import maize. And when we import maize, Honorable Speaker, it means at the end of the day, we are going to increase the cost of production and everything is not going to work for the country.
Kabla hatujakata kauli ya kutoa msimamo wetu, waweze kutoa taarifa ya jinsi mikakati imewekwa ya kusaidia mkulima ili aweze kupata mbolea kwa bei nafuu.
The National Assembly wants the National Treasury to urgently include the 1.4 billion shillings meant to stabilize fertilizer prices in the supplementary budget ahead of the planting season.
We had requested for about 15 billion to be able to sort out the issue of subsidized fertilizer in this country, especially this time when fertilizer prices are very high. And the cabinet has not given a feedback, which we should expect that they should move very fast. We were able to do the supplementary and make some adjustments where we put in 1.4 billion to be able to subsidize fertilizer so that as we await cabinet's decision.
Even if it's going to be in a supplementary budget, Mr. Speaker, that this fertilizer can be provided for the farmers as quick as possible, because as we speak, Mr. Speaker, it has started raining, and when it starts raining, Mr. Speaker, very soon it will be planting season.
Earlier this month, the Agriculture Ministry said the fertilizer subsidy had been depleted to 1.2 billion shillings, while about 8 billion shillings is needed to subsidize the fertilizer.